Crunchyfied Clean friends, this is how you make your Thieves cleaner from the Thieves concentrated cleaner. So 1 cap to 30 ounces of water is for standard cleaning ratio. If you want to do 2 caps because you like more scent, that's absolutely fine because it will be diluted in water, so it won't ruin anything. I like to add the water in first and then the concentrated cleaner so that it won't bubble up. If you put the cleaner in first and then the water, it'll suds up as you're filling in the water, and then you'll lose some of that liquid gold, and you don't want to do that. So I add water. This is a 32-ounce spray bottle. You can use 26 or 28 ounce. That's fine too. Put the water in first, and then you just add 1 cap. Just 1 cap. Just 1 little cap. If you want more scent, you can add 2 caps. That's totally fine too. I have other recipes where I like to add hydrogen peroxide to my bottle, or I like to use isopropyl alcohol to make it a disinfectant. I use vinegar as well. I use it for mopping. It's an all-purpose, fantastic plant-based cleaner. If you want to play around with the scent, you can add more essential oils already to the cleaner because it's made with essential oils. So for summer, you can add more orange or more lemon or citrus fresh. For winter, you can add peppermint or spearmint. You can just play around with the scent. But it's a great all-purpose cleaner. Check out all my other videos showing how amazing you can use it to clean everything and every surface. On my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and I am a distributor if you want to grab the bottle. It's a very cost-effective plant-based cleaner.